Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, which means we have another weekly stamping collab. This one was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. For my base, I chose this black Shai nail polish called Black Coffee. To stamp, I'll use this Born Pretty stamping plate BP-L059. I'll use my white Maniology stamping polish called Bam White. Are you enjoying my video? Leave a thumbs up to let me know. That really helps out my channel. You can also share this video with someone you think will enjoy it. No! Yes, we saved it. I love the way it looks, but I want to try applying a little bit of this glitter. This one is from Funky Fingers, and this one is called Winter is Coming. I got this one at Five Below. I'm going to test it on my thumbnail. If I don't like the way it looks, then I won't apply it on the other two nails. It doesn't look bad, but I think it'll be too much to apply it on the other two nails, so I'll just leave it on the thumbnail. And to finish off, I'll apply this matte top coat. Once the matte top coat dries, the manicure is complete, and I love the way it turned out. It's simple, but it looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Check the description box for links to everybody's video.